Neat stuff.
Yeah, you like it?
I do.
You seen anything like this before, Frank?
I've not, and I've been in the print industry my whole life.
No way. Paper thin, with a video screen, battery pack, memory chip, everything inside embedded.
And it like plays a video.
Plays a video.
That's really cool. And you just hand it to somebody? This is genius.
How do you get people to share content?
Right.
There's no perfect formula, but when it's something unique and different and cool like this, it automatically gets shared. Yeah, that's a video business card.
This is awesome.
If I gave one of these to you at a trade show, not only are you not going to throw this away, but you're going to go home and show it to Dennis, you're going to show it to someone at the office.
Yeah. This is amazing. This is really, really neat.
Thank you.
A little more hard crossboard knit.